What's up everyone, today's video is about tutorial in latest Z-Skin videos tissue illusion in this corona outbreak. So these are the videos and I'm gonna show you how to make the video like this. Alright guys, the first step is to have these two footage. Okay, that's simple cut. It's pretty rough. You can clearly see the cut right there, but it's okay. Next, right click and replace with After Effects composition. But remember, your version of Premiere Pro with After Effects must be the same version. Alright guys, because we have to rotoscope this, we bring the footage to After Effects for better rotoscoping experience. What you need to do is, this is the first footage and this is the second footage, and what we need to do is rotoscope the circle of this second footage. So you can click the layer like this and select this pen tool and start to your job, which is rotoscoping. Like this. You can go to the mask properties here. You can click inverted. Nice, and we have to cover all of the whole. So right here, fine, alright, just like this. Okay, start from here. You keyframe the mask path. So you have to rotoscope till the end of the clip. So we move until here. To make it easier, we can click the inverted back so we can see clearly what we have to rotoscope here. Okay, anyway, tips for you guys if you do rotoscoping. If you just move this, two sides of the line will move. The first one is this side and the second one is this side. So what we need to do is just press Alt key and move it. So it's just gonna be move and effect for one line. So nice, we have a rotoscope right here, but in the middle we can also set a point where we can rotoscope. Alright guys, now we have some keyframes here, you can see. These are the keyframes, and those keyframes is making a hole, a perfect hole right there. Nice. And what we need to do is to place it above the first clip. And you can see like it is still clearly seen it is cut. And what you need to do is just go here, go for transform and set the opacity point. So we set the opacity from 0 to 100. Here let's see this the beginning is 0, and up to this point it's gonna be 100, like this. Now it is smooth, right? You cannot see that it is actually cut, but we see here there is a problem when I actually drop my tissue. If I click this and we see the first clip, so after I show the tissue to the camera like this, I actually drop it. So that makes this this move in this part you see right here is the tissue, and you don't want it to happen, right? So that's why editing tricks. We're moving on to step 3. Okay guys, now step 3. So because we see there is a tissue, we need something to cover. Okay, we need something to cover. What is that? It is my own face. So duplicate this by pressing Ctrl D. Nice. But here we choose, you can right click, then we go to time, then we go to freeze frame, and you can cut this by pressing Ctrl Shift T. Delete this part, and this will cover the rest. And this, the illusion works. Now if you watch closely, I don't really take my footage perfectly, but I don't really care about it. But if you see in slow motion, you will see that my head is actually going up right here, but here is not going up. It is still the same because it is freeze frame, right? But it is okay. People won't notice it in normal speed. It's fine. So for the final touch, I'm gonna make it square because it is for Instagram. Go to sequence and sequence setting and change it to 1080 by 1080, just like this. Click OK. Nice. And for the final touch, you don't want it to be like you're using tripod, right? You don't want to be like very static, so you can go for fake camera movement preset. You can find it everywhere on the internet. Now I'm using from cinecom.net or cinecom.net. You can also see in the YouTube. They have a very good channel for video editing tutorial. And go for normal smooth motion. Then you will get like this, like smooth motion, like you're not using tripod but you're using hand. It is very simple illusion, but I do really appreciate Zking's creativity to bring this illusion during this corona outbreak, which is still related to what is happening right now. Thumbs up for him, and until next time.